Hi and welcome to Autowave. In today's video we're going to be showing the new Xhorse Dolphin 2 cutting machine. This device now is an upgrade of like the previous device with a lot of new added features. So if we have a look around the machine we can take a look at these. So to start with, as you'll notice, there's now a screen built into the device. This is an Android based screen which you can just store down or lift up when you want to use it. You can also connect it to your phone like you could the old other Dolphin, but there's now a handy screen as well. Also, you'll notice straight away that there's now a protective guard at the front, which stops all your bits of swarf coming out onto the bench, because that was a concern before for some locksmiths. They were like, you know, it's a good device, but it's very messy. So this tries to keep the mess to a minimum now. Then also under the screen, you can notice there's a new style clamp now. So this is the M5 clamp. So it's basically an M1 and an M2 clamp in one. So it's got two sides, which you just literally undo it all the way. And you can just turn it over to get one side or turn over the other side. So you've got that. And then if we go around the back of the machine now, you'll also notice now it's got a handy little storage area to put your spare cutters and probes. And you'll notice also there's no USB connection. So to update this device now, instead of having to put it onto the upgrade kit like you used to have to before, you can just do it via Wi-Fi on the actual device. So I'll show you that feature as well. So that's a lot better as well, just handier. So let's come around the front and turn it on. So we'll just turn the device on, button in the same position really as the other one. So as you can notice, it's got the blue light and the blue lights underneath. This has three states. So blue normally means the machine's doing as it should do, working all fine. It's got an amber light that lights up if it's detecting like it needs to change something or something's not quite right. And then it's got a red light, which is like an error state light to tell you, there's a problem. So we've got our screen here. If we go along the buttons, as you can see, we've got our usual buttons: database, cut by code, universal duplication. We've got system, so we can go into the system, connect it to our Wi-Fi. Like I say, if we want to update it, we can just now press update center, and we can update our firmware and our database all on the device itself. So that's much better than before. And then we've got our usual machine parameters where we can just check our height calibration, change our cutting settings. I've literally just changed mine a minute ago to a 1.5. And we can do our tests on the machine. So we might as well have a go at cutting a blade on it. Let's see it in action. So for this video we're going to cut a Ford HU101 blade. So let's find Ford. So let's go to our database, scroll down, find Ford. Also on this you can see at the bottom as well, you can literally just press Europe or Asia and just, shorten down the menu to make it a bit easier as well. But I'm literally going to do Ford. All keys. I'm just going to find HU101. HU101, 10 cuts. So M5 clamp, side A. So I can have a look. I'm actually on side A anyway. So that's good. And it wants me to line it up with the 5th position. So blade nice and secure. Now I can just press decode kit. So that's now decoded. So let's just press OK. Just do what I usually do, where I just hold it up to it and have a little look. Looks good to me. So now what we'll do, so we'll get our new HU101 blade. Put it in our clamp again, up to the 5th line, and then we'll press cut. So, cut. Just put the screen down, might as well use it to its full benefit. Well, so that's one side cut. So we'll just brush off the swarf. Just turn it over. Also off camera then, just while this was cutting, I bought the older style Dolphin in, just so you can see a size comparison really, because people always ask, is it much bigger, or, do you know what I mean? So about having it in their vans, etc. So as you can see, you know, it's very slightly longer, but pretty much the same really, pretty much similar size. Right, we'll just cut the other side. So that's it. So that's the blade cutting completed. I'll go out to the vehicle in a minute and just show you that's working in the door. So we're back at the vehicle now. Let's just try the original key, make sure the lock does actually work, and then just try the new blade. Yeah, that works fine. So key cut perfect. And that's basically the machine in action. So the machine is available now on our website to pre-order. So take a look at that. And that's it really. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. Thank you.